Balik ko.
Yeah, 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 go.
Ako ngayon lang. Pag-abot nila din ganon sila.
Yeah.
Naanay mga manipulate niya atubangan sa chairs.
Yeah.
So obviously, there's somebody over there na sitting diha. Kaya may duha ka laptop.
Yes,
Then
yes.
ila pa ning giling kulag, ila pa ning dirahon.
Ako na ka.
Ako na pa to.
Explanation.
Pero buokan dyan ko lang.
Yeah, okay, okay.
Nakita ko sila. Sige, tingkuhin lang sila. Sige, apa ni sa dito. Ganun ako laptop ko. Mandilo.
Like actually,
Dua ka bata. Dua ka niya ba?
oh, the teenagers, the young, bata or it was teenagers. It was like young adults. So like I said, if they had the common sense or the brain power to actually kwan ba, what you call this, adjust to this situation, to this situation. There's literally plates over there. They can't see that either they're acoustic or they're kuan. What you call this? They're blind. So if ever, huh? Acoustic is like what you call this? A young version of retarded. So yeah. So yeah. It's the new version, yeah.
I don't like acoustic.
Yeah, I don't like acoustic people. Anyway, yeah, if they had the common sense, they shouldn't have sat here in the first place. So, like, what are they trying to do here? Are they trying to assert dominance? Because I can throw some hands. You want some?
Oh my gosh, so scandalous.
I'm just saying. Look, I'm just no, look, I'm just saying.
All chicks
No,
here.
no, I'm just no, I'm just saying. If ever they want to throw some hands, they can throw some hands on me
Oh my gosh.
because I will win. No, I will win.
If you want beauty over here.
No, I will win the fight. So
You just do this thing.
or like
Ugly.
like excuse me, that's my seat.
Mama, don't you
That's
agree?
my seat. That's my chair.
It's so ugly.
No,
Mama, if you do this, it's so ugly.
no, I'm just saying. If ever, like you guys, if ever someone tries to fight with you,
Lang yung suki mo, yes. Oh, mama. Nalatasod sa balay, mama. Sige na siya. Mama, look, mama. I will try to win. Look, mama. Kita ramdam, mama. Nothing like the story, mama. It will go make me crazy. So like, why